Hey everybody, it's Keith with Rocky Mountain Peterbilt Rush Truck Center here in Greeley, Colorado. Got a nice one here for you. This is actually a twin to the Omaha Orange with the 44-inch sleeper I recently posted. So same identical trucks. Customer just didn't need two orange ones, and so he only took the one, so we were able to change the color on this one at the last minute. Pull some strings at the factory and get it into North Sea Gray. So this is a 280-inch wheelbase, 2022 389 with a 44-inch flat top. For you old school guys, that's the old 36-inch flat top. Pretty much same dimensions. So beautiful truck. Love the color of North Sea Gray, non-metallic. So it's just a nice, I don't know, I like it. I think it looks fantastic. 11R22.5's got a 13.2 steer axle on air ride. Kind of going around backwards on this one. Aero mirrors. And what we did is we added the 14-inch drop visor and the 2 extra lights, and then cleared all 7 lights. So when those are off, they're like that. When they're on, they're amber. Gives you a look. 7-inch stacks, 7-inch diameter stacks. Those are 60-inch stack extensions. 20-inch bumper. This is all factory here, except that visor and the 2 extra lights is not. Aero mirrors, very functional. Polished after treatment. Got a 150 on this side. Actually got tank heaters. Fuel tank heaters here. Shut-off valve, jump post. I apologize, this one's not cleaned up yet, as you can see. Sliding rear window, 6 load lights, and we fixed both the CB and the radio antenna to the back of the sleeper. Much cleaner look. We did have a wet kit installed on this one. That's what this bar is here to hold the lines. You can see the wet kit. Those lines come down, come over to an auxiliary tank. So no split tanks on this one. It's not what it was designed for, so we just add an extra tank. The 30-inch Hogue-built quarter fenders, Michelin tires all the way around, XDN 2s on the rear, full lockers. See, there's the locking diff right there. 40,000-pound rears, LED lights, and that's a pinnable 5th wheel. As you can see here, this pin will allow you to run an end dump, a frameless end dump. So that blocks that 5th wheel and locks it in place level like that. So that's what you need to run a frameless end dump. Muncie PTO, Muncie Wet Kit, IMCO out of Commerce City in Denver, IMCO. They're the ones who installed this. Randy there does a really good job for us. Got a 110 fuel tank on this side. Fire extinguisher and storage. Toe pins in the box. Here's your 44-inch. A lot of guys like the 44-inch. Can't get an S-bar heater with it. It's not really big enough to heat. So it just uses the heat off the cab. Get your train horn. I think that's where they needed to put it in lieu of the PTO. Tip the hood up here. Yeah, I apologize, it's dirty. A little dusty. The hot side of the engine there with the turbo. Air ride. Disc brakes all the way around. I do like this North Sea Gray. Just really clean, really plain, really simple. There's the air ride, dual leveling valves. It's about 3 to 4 hours worth of labor, but we can plumb those so that you can dump them. So it kind of gives the truck a little more of a custom look. I believe this is a 605 2050 torque. Yep. Davco fuel filter. And remote lube. Yeah. Stainless steel grill, signature Peterbilt. Platinum interior. And we did the Sears 80 seats. So the 44-inch flat top and Sears 80 seats, there's not a lot of room. It's pretty tight. This one's got the new dash. Fire it up. We do have full gauges in the B panel. And this is the way they're doing the gauges now. They come in 4s. So we had 6, so the top 2, you just get 2 spares there. So you can add 2 there. You got spares down here. And the switches are different now. There's the smart steering wheel. You can change things around on this thing. So you can customize it. I won't go into that on this video, but maybe that's another video I need to do. AM, FM, 18 speed. I believe this one is also 336 gears. Sliding rear window. And just enough room to get through to get back into the sleeper. And you can control your temperature back here if the truck's running, but only if the truck is running. And there's a light switch there too. Heat and AC, and your alarm clock's over here. So I just thought I'd share this one with you. Unfortunately, as I keep saying, it's already sold. I wish I can quit saying that, but beautiful truck, 280 wheelbase with a 44-inch sleeper, so it's a very iconic look. Very nice looking truck. So thank you for watching. Have a good Thanksgiving. Hope everybody's safe. Keith Couch with Rocky Mountain Peterbilt, Rush Truck Center, Greeley, Colorado, 970-691-3877. Thanks for watching.